Hey guys, I hope you're fine and doing well, and I welcome to you to this new video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually run Ollama on your PC, run some models like locally on your PC, so you don't pay any money to ChatGPT or like Claude, for example, and all of your data stays on your PC. So here you can see they promise that the data stays local and like you don't pay anything. So for the people who doesn't actually know what Ollama means, so Ollama is actually a basic LLM inference engine which lets you run all these like LLMs and uh, like models like vision models and like everything locally on your PC. And this is actually a very easy way to run it. There are also like other, like for example Llama CPP is also there, and like VLLM is also there, but those are like for mostly for developers. But for like normal people who just want to use day-to-day chat, they can for sure use Ollama. It's like quite easy. If I go you if I show you on the tab here, for example models, or let's go here. So this is like the different models which is being supported by like Ollama. So you can click on any model, for example Gemma 4. This is like from Google, and here you can just click, for example, view all, and then you can see like different kind of models which is supported by Gemma 4. For example, if I see this one, okay, MLX means this is like for Mac, but this is the one which you can, for example, use on your Windows or like Linux device. One such a model which I personally think is very good is Qwen 3.5, and there are different like versions of Qwen 3.5. So 2 billion parameters, 4 billion parameters, like different versions. And here is like the size of the model. So you might be wondering how would you actually decide which model you can run on your PC, which you cannot run. So the basic rule, easy rule I would say, says that your RAM should be twice the amount of the size of the model. So for example, if the model is like 2.7 GB, so you should have like more than 5.5 GBs of RAM. So if you have like 8 GB of RAM, you will be able to comfortably run this model very nicely. Even this model will work quite comfortably on your PC. This model would be a bit difficult, but until here, like it's going to be very easily uh, being running on your PC. And let's start with the download, like how you can actually install Ollama on your PC. So like depending on your operating system, you can like have commands here. You can select whichever operating system do you have. In this video I will be showing you for Windows because I only have Windows PC here in this video. So you click here, download for Windows, and then this starts installation for the .exe file. I already have this file in my PC, so I will probably close it, but you just wait until it finishes the download. There is another second way, is like you copy this command and then paste it in, for example command prompt. So I run command prompt as administrator, for example, and you can just paste here this command and then run it, and then it's going to, like for example, yeah, install Ollama on your PC. And after you have like this file saved, you just have to go in like file manager. So if I go in file manager, I have like this setup already. So you double click this one time, and then you click install, and then it's going to install it. I am going to cancel it because I already have it installed on my PC, so I will just cancel it. And yeah, so you just have to wait for the installation process to finish. And once you have finished the installation process, you type Ollama here, and there will be a Ollama app here. So you just like run it, open, and this is like the Ollama app that you are going to have it in your PC. So this is like actually quite simple. You can just type here. So you just say hi. So you have like here this model installed. So if you have started like installed for the first time, you won't have this model. So you will have like this. For example, it will show you like this. So you can just click here one of these arrows, and then yeah, it will install. It will install the LLM on you. I've already installed this LLM, so I will just say hi. And if I open my task manager, for example, also in parallel, so I have it here. So here we can see like how much CPU resources are being consumed by the LLM in the background. So like once so what happens is whenever you ask anything from LLM, it actually goes on the RAM. So here you can see the RAM is being increasing, be getting consumed more and more. So the model like the LLM model goes into the RAM, and then whenever you are asking him, it's being processed very quickly. So it takes some time until it goes in them, and then it's quite easy. So the first response is usually very slow, but once it's like loaded in the RAM, it's like really quick. So here you can see it's starting to think right now because it's a thinking model, and then it's going to give us a reply. So here I can see we have like 100% CPU usage. And just to give an idea, this is like a really very old PC which I'm using in this video. So this is like Intel i5 third gen, for example, and this is like 12 years old, 13 years old PC with 16 GB of RAM. So like quite slow PC, I would say. So another way of using these like models using Ollama is like to go on the website, and for example, I choose this model here. I will click on it, and once I click on it, I see this command here for the CLI. So you just copy the command here. So this is for like the CLI. So you have curl command, you have Python command, you have JavaScript. So these are like the different like for example documentation examples how you can use the LLM. But this is for downloading and also like for running. So if I go here in the command prompt, I directly paste this here, and then this is going to pull the like the model from the like the Ollama server just for once. And once it have downloaded the whole like the LLM on your PC, it's going to like set it up, and then you can run it like locally, unlimited. So I would keep this video until here. I wanted to make it short. In the next video, I will be also showing you how you can use Llama CPP, for example. It's also quite like quite good compared to like Ollama, in my opinion, for example developers, but like not for like general purpose audience. So Llama CPP is like quite good, and VLLM is also, I would say, one of the best I would say projects to run LLMs, or like inference engine to run LLMs on your PC, because this allows you to do like for example parallelization. This is very good, and like token speed is much higher with VLLM. So yeah, I will be showing you these how you can set like Llama CPP and like VLLM in next videos. And if you like this video, please like yeah, subscribe the channel, comments if you have any doubts. I will try to answer you. Like if you subscribe my channel, this really motivates me to make more such content. So I will see you in the next video.